literacy program with KFI Global, and when I got in touch with Madeline, she immediately responded to the event. I got to know it through one of our sources that she's been doing it wonderfully well, and then I contacted her, and then we initiated this for our students. We made it for 30 students first and landed up in more students than expected. We had our faculties from other backgrounds also attending the program, and the feedback was awesome. The students also loved the program, and it was not just theory there, it was more engaging. Students were given some hands-on exercises, and they were seen literally very busy during the program. They never took a break. They came back after 5 minutes when they were given a long break, but they came back after 5 minutes and they were continuously engaging with Madeline as well. So thank you so much for the program, and thanks Emirates NBD for sponsoring the program as well. Thank you.
Hi, myself Mohammad Shahan. I'm a student at Manipal University, and I have to say that it was really informative. I basically had no idea what was they meant by the financial literacy. I thought what all we learned in textbooks was more than enough. But when I came to the session, I got a clear-cut idea what was the real world, what does they mean by money, and most of these are not taught in textbooks. I'm really thankful to KFI Global for coming up with such a session, and also Emirates NBD for sponsoring this session. Thank you.
Hi, this is Veronica Francis from Manipal. I'm a semester 1 student. Today we had a KFI Global program on financial literacy. It was very informative and innovative. For us, we learned a lot of new things. It gave us a platform to showcase our knowledge, our ideas, and come forward with them. I'd like to thank Miss Marilyn for giving us that platform and her practical experience. Thank you, Emirates NBD. It was a wonderful program.
Hi, this is Syed Salahuddin from Manipal University. I have attended the KFI Global program on financial literacy among youth. It is one of the kind of best lectures I have heard, because it gives insightful information about how youths are thinking about credit card facilities and other credit options, and it gives knowledge for the youth how to behave in today's financial situations, and it also gives how banks are performing, and what are the things we need to look around before buying a credit card or opening a bank account and all other details. I would like to thank Emirates NBD for sponsoring such a wonderful event which gives very much inside information of the industry. Yeah, that's it.
So we had the opportunity to attend KFI Global Financial Literacy for Youth program today. It was an eye-opening opportunity for us, because being in university, we are not thought about any of this, and this program really dived into everything that we should have known, we should have been taught, we weren't. And I would really like to thank Ms. Marilyn and Emirates NBD for giving us this opportunity, and thank you so much.
The workshop done by KFI Global was very informative and also gives us a head start for many people who didn't receive this, and it was really helpful.